Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your science lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is SC 1.9. Observe seasonal patterns of sunrise and sunset to describe the relationship between the number of hours of daylight and the time of year. Our essential questions are: how do you know that the sun will rise and set tomorrow? Can the order of the seasons change? Our I can statement is: I can describe the relationship between the number of hours of daylight and the time of year. Let's read seasons and weather. Hello, it's me, Megan. I am so excited because it is finally summer. I love summer because it is warm and I can play outside. Even though summer is my favorite season, I really like them all. What is your favorite season? Who is the story about? Megan. And what is she talking about? She's talking about the weather. What's her favorite season? Summer. What is your favorite season? During the summer, people are outside more. Most children don't have school to go to because they are on summer break. Look at me. I am swimming. I like to swim in the summer because it is a fun way to cool down. What do you like to do during the summer? What activities do you do during the summer? Swimming, you go to the beach, you might play outside more. Okay, awesome job. Summer is the hottest season of the year. In some places, it can get hotter than 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat in the summer can oftentimes cause forest fires, which is what you see here in this picture. Many times, summer also causes droughts because there is little or no rain. So, what happens if there is no rain? That's right, there is a drought. As summer comes to an end, the weather starts to cool down and the leaves start to turn colors. Aren't they pretty? It is now fall. The cool fall breeze starts to blow the leaves off the trees. Now that summer is over, I am ready to go back to school. How do the leaves change? Now, what text feature did you use to gather that information? You used this picture. Good job. Some people call fall autumn. Either way, this season brings on all kinds of storms. Since fall is right in between summer and winter, storms from both seasons can happen. Look at these storms. Which storm do you see the most? Okay, this is a snowstorm and this is a tornado as well as this one. So we have two tornadoes and one snowstorm. Brr, I am feeling cold. It must be winter now. Winter is cold. Most people stay inside to keep warm. The trees have no leaves now and the ground is covered with snow. Children find games to play inside or bundle up to play in the snow. What does bundle up mean? Okay, that means that you're going to maybe put on some extra layer of clothing in order to keep warm. Very good. Winter can be dangerous. Snow and ice make it hard for people to drive on the road. Snowstorms or blizzards can bring so much snow that people can't leave their house. Look at how much snow is covering my yard. Have you ever seen a snowstorm or been in a snowstorm? Have you ever seen ice in the winter? Finally, it is starting to get warm again. The snow starts to melt and the grass is turning green again. It is spring. My favorite thing to do in spring is splash in the rain puddles and plant flowers. So what does the picture teach us about spring? What happens in the spring? Okay, so we see the grass is greener, we see trees and flowers blossoming and blooming. Very good. Spring brings a lot of rain. Thunderstorms are very common in spring. Tornadoes, hurricanes, and typhoons also happen a lot in the spring. All of these storms can be scary, but the rain they bring helps our plants grow and cleanse the earth. So, how can we make a connection with the water cycle and spring weather? Okay, so the water that we receive from some of these storms, they help nourish those plants and other forms of vegetation. Okay, every season is special and important. Even though some weather and storms happen more often each season, storms can happen at any time. I really enjoyed learning about all of the seasons with you. It is time for me to get to my work, to work on my reading. I will see you later. So, what did you learn about seasons and weather? All right. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you next time.